Purvanchal Hills are the eastern extension of the Himalayas. They are located in the northeastern part of India. The Purvanchal Hills comprise the Patkai, Naga, Manipur and Mizo Hills. They form a boundary between India and Myanmar. The Patkai Hills are also known as the Patkai Bang. The Naga Hills are named after the Naga tribes inhabiting the region. The highest peak in the Naga Hills is Mount Sarmati at 3,826 meters. The Manipur Hills are located in the state of Manipur. Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in northeastern India, is situated in the Manipur Hills. The Barak River originates from the Manipur Hills. The Mizo Hills are also known as the Lushai Hills. The highest peak in the Mizo Hills is Phongapui Peak, also called the Blue Mountain, at 2,157 meters. The Purvanchal Range acts as a natural barrier for the northeastern states of India. The Purvanchal Hills are rich in biodiversity and dense forests. The Purvanchal Hills are geologically younger than the Peninsular Hills. The Chin Hills of Myanmar are an extension of the Purvanchal Range. The Purvanchal Range has steep slopes and narrow valleys. The Dihang River marks the eastern boundary of the Purvanchal Hills. The region is prone to frequent earthquakes due to tectonic activity. The Surma Valley, located between the hills, is an important agricultural area. The Baral Range is a prominent sub-range of the Purvanchal. The Purvanchal Hills receive heavy rainfall due to the influence of the monsoons. The Purvanchal region is home to several indigenous tribes, like the Nagaland tribes. The Purvanchal Hills have a subtropical climate with humid summers and cool winters. The Pangasha Pass in the Naga Hills connects India to Myanmar. The Purvanchal Range plays a crucial role in the hydrology of the northeastern states. The Doyang River flows through the Naga Hills and is a tributary of the Brahmaputra. The Lohit River, flowing from Arunachal Pradesh, is connected to the Purvanchal region. The region is part of the Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot. The Purvanchal Hills are rich in medicinal plants and other forest resources. The Purvanchal Hills act as a corridor for wildlife migration between India and Southeast Asia. The Mizoram National Park in the Mizo Hills is home to diverse fauna. The Dampa Tiger Reserve is located in the Mizo Hills. The Chindwin River in Myanmar is closely associated with the Purvanchal Hills. The Purvanchal Hills are characterized by their fold mountains formation. The region is sparsely populated due to its rugged terrain. The Purvanchal region is vulnerable to landslides during the monsoon. Jiribam is the only railhead in Manipur, located at the foothills of the Purvanchal. Aswal, the capital of Mizoram, is situated on the Mizo Hills. The region is a hot spot for jhum cultivation, slash-and-burn agriculture. The Purvanchal Hills are part of the Himalayan arc but have distinct geological characteristics. The Barak Valley is situated between the Purvanchal Hills and the Meghalaya Plateau. The Bam La Pass in the Patkai Hills connects Arunachal Pradesh with Tibet. The region is important for India's Act East policy due to its proximity to Southeast Asia. The Tuivai River flows through the Mizo Hills and is a tributary of the Barak River. The Tirap district in Arunachal Pradesh lies on the Patkai Hills. The Sangay deer, an endangered species, is found in the Purvanchal region, especially in Manipur. The Purvanchal Hills have strategic importance for India's defense due to their location near the China and Myanmar borders.